Hello, friends, and welcome to English with Sam and Zoe, the place where English feels simple and fun to learn. I'm Zoe.
Welcome, Zoe, and dear friends. I'm Sam. Good to have you here.
Sam, can I ask you something honest?
Of course, Zoe, go ahead.
Do you ever freeze when you have to speak English? Like your brain just stops?
Oh, all the time. Even now, sometimes I forget a simple word in the middle of a sentence.
See, friends, even Sam feels that. So if you freeze too, you are not alone.
Today, we are going to talk about something everyone asks us: how to improve your English skills.
Real tips, simple steps, things you can start today, not someday.
So, relax, get comfortable, and let's learn together.
Let's go.
Zoe, when people ask you, how do I get better at English? What do you usually say first?
I always say, stop waiting to be perfect. Just start speaking, even if you make mistakes.
That is so true. Many learners wait for the right time to speak, but that time never comes.
Exactly. Mistakes are not your enemy. They're actually proof that you are learning.
I remember when I was learning a new language myself, I was so scared to speak.
Oh, really? What happened?
One day, I just decided, today I will speak, even badly. And you know what? People understood me anyway.
That is amazing. It shows that connection matters more than perfection.
Completely agree. So friends, tip number 1, speak every single day, even for 5 minutes.
Even talking to yourself in the mirror counts.
Yes, it really does. Your brain does not know the difference.
Okay, Sam, what is your second tip?
Listening. You must listen to English every day. Podcasts, videos, songs, anything.
I love this one. I listen to English songs while cooking. It does not feel like studying at all.
That is the secret. When learning feels fun, you do it more often.
And the more you listen, the more your ear gets used to real English, fast English, not slow textbook English.
Right. In real life, people do not speak slowly for you.
True. So training your ear is very important.
Here's a simple idea. Pick one short video every day. Watch it twice.
First time, just enjoy it. Second time, notice new words.
Exactly. Small steps done daily create big results.
Okay, my turn again. Tip number 3, reading.
Ah, yes, reading is powerful too.
When you read, you learn how sentences are built. You see grammar and action, not just rules in a book.
I agree. Reading also builds your vocabulary naturally.
What do you like to read, Sam?
Honestly, I enjoy simple short stories, nothing too heavy.
That's smart. You do not need difficult novels. Start with easy, short texts.
Even reading short posts or simple news works well.
And friends, do not stop just because you see one new word. Guess the meaning first, then check later.
Great advice. It trains your brain to think in English.
Okay, Sam, now tell me, what about writing? Some learners forget this one.
True. Writing helps you organize your thoughts in English.
I recommend keeping a small notebook. Write 3 sentences about your day every day.
Simple sentences are perfectly fine. You do not need to be fancy.
Exactly. Today I woke up late. I drank tea. I felt happy. That is enough.
Simple, but it works. Over time, your sentences naturally become stronger.
All right, Sam, let's talk about something learners struggle with a lot: fear.
Oh yes, the fear of making mistakes in front of others.
I understand this deeply. Many people know grammar rules perfectly, but they freeze when speaking.
Because they're afraid people will judge them.
But here's the truth. Most people are kind. They respect effort, not perfection.
Completely agree. And even native speakers make mistakes sometimes.
Yes, so please, friends, give yourself permission to be imperfect.
One helpful trick: talk to yourself in English during the day.
Oh, I love this one too. While making tea, while walking, while cleaning your room.
It feels strange at first, but it builds confidence quietly, without pressure.
And slowly, real conversations feel less scary.
Zoe, what about people who feel shy to talk with real people?
A great step is talking to a friend who is also learning. No judgment, just practice together.
That is a wonderful idea. Learning together makes it lighter and more fun.
Exactly. You support each other, laugh at mistakes, and grow together.
All right, friends, we have shared some powerful ideas already. Speaking daily, listening, reading, writing, and facing fear.
And honestly, these small habits, done daily, change everything over time.
They really do. Small steps, big results.
There's one more thing I want to mention. Patience. Improvement takes time, and that is completely okay.
Very true. Nobody becomes fluent overnight, and that is a normal part of the journey.
So be kind to yourself, keep practicing, and trust the process.
Well said, Zoe. Every single day of practice is a step forward, even when it doesn't feel like it.
Zoe, let's talk about something people often ignore: grammar. How should learners handle it?
Great question. My advice is do not obsess over grammar rules before you speak.
Oh, I completely agree. Many learners study grammar for years but never actually speak.
Exactly. Grammar is important, yes, but it should support your speaking, not block it.
So what's a better approach?
Learn grammar through real sentences, not just rules in a book. Notice patterns when you listen and read.
That makes sense. Your brain naturally absorbs patterns over time.
Right, and when you make a grammar mistake while speaking, just gently correct yourself and continue.
No need to stop the whole conversation and panic.
Exactly, Zoe. Flow matters more than perfect grammar in daily conversation.
Okay, let's move to another powerful tool: watching movies and shows in English.
Oh, I love this tip. It is entertaining and educational at the same time.
My suggestion: watch with English subtitles, not your own language subtitles.
Yes, this helps you connect the sound of the word with its spelling.
In the beginning, it feels difficult, but slowly your understanding improves a lot.
And you also learn how English sounds in real, natural conversations.
True, not the slow, clear English from textbooks, but real, fast, everyday English.
A helpful trick: pick your favorite show. Watch one episode multiple times.
First time, just enjoy the story. Second time, focus on words and expressions.
Exactly. Repetition really helps your brain remember naturally.
Zoe, what about vocabulary? Some learners feel overwhelmed by too many new words.
I understand this completely. My advice: do not try to learn 20 words a day.
Oh, really? Why not?
Because your brain cannot hold that much new information at once. It becomes stressful, not helpful.
So what is a better number?
Just 3 to 5 new words a day is perfect. Use them in real sentences immediately.
That is such a relief to hear. Quality over quantity, right?
Exactly, Zoe. Deep learning beats fast, shallow learning every time.
I also suggest writing new words on small cards. Keep them where you will see them often.
Like your fridge, your desk, or even your phone's wallpaper.
Yes, small reminders throughout the day make a big difference.
All right, let's talk about one more important habit: surrounding yourself with English.
I love this idea. Change your phone language to English.
Follow English pages on social media. Read English captions under photos.
Even small things like this create constant, gentle exposure.
Over time, English starts to feel familiar, not foreign.
That is such a powerful shift in mindset.
Now, Zoe, let's be honest with our friends about something important.
What is that, Sam?
There is no single magic method that works for everyone.
True. Everyone learns differently at their own pace.
Some people love speaking practice, others love reading, some enjoy songs and movies.
The key is to try different methods and stick with what feels natural and enjoyable for you.
Exactly. If it feels like fun, you'll do it consistently.
And consistency, friends, is truly the real secret behind fluency.
Not talent, not being naturally good at languages, just steady, daily practice.
So beautifully said, Sam. Small, consistent actions truly change everything over time.
All right, friends, now let's move into today's special learning segments.
Get ready because these will help you practice everything we just discussed.
In this segment, we fix common mistakes learners make. Listen carefully.
Mistake 1. I am agree with you. The correct sentence is I agree with you.
Mistake 2. She explained me the topic. The correct sentence is, she explained the topic to me.
Mistake 3. I am boring in this class. The correct sentence is, I am bored in this class.
Now let's look at useful phrases from today's episode with their simple meanings.
Phrase 1, freeze when speaking, means to suddenly stop and feel unable to talk.
Phrase 2, step forward, means a small piece of progress.
Phrase 3, trust the process, means to believe that your effort will bring good results, even slowly.
In this segment, we learn synonyms, different words with a similar meaning.
1, improve and get better mean the same thing.
2, consistent and regular mean the same thing.
3, overwhelmed and stressed mean a similar feeling of too much pressure.
Now let's enjoy a short role play. Zoe will be an English teacher and I will be her student.
Good morning. You look a little worried today. What is wrong?
Good morning, teacher. Honestly, I feel stuck. I know many words, but I still can't speak fluently.
That is very common. Tell me, how much do you practice speaking every day?
Almost never. I only study grammar and vocabulary from books.
There is your answer. Knowledge alone is not enough. You must use it out loud.
So what should I do, teacher?
Start small. Talk to yourself for 5 minutes every day. Describe your room, your day, your plans.
That sounds easy enough. I can try that.
Also, do not fear mistakes. Every mistake shows me exactly where to help you improve.
That actually makes me feel much better, teacher. Thank you.
You're welcome. Remember, progress is not about perfect English. It is about brave, consistent practice.
Finally, let's review today's important vocabulary words with simple example sentences.
1. Freeze. To suddenly stop moving or speaking. Example, I freeze when the teacher asks me a question.
2. Fluency. Speaking smoothly and naturally. Example, daily practice improves your fluency.
3. Consistent. Doing something regularly. Example, being consistent is more important than being perfect.
4. Exposure. Being around something often. Example, watching English movies gives you good exposure.
5. Obsess. To think about something too much. Example, do not obsess over small grammar mistakes.
6. Absorb. To slowly take in and understand something. Example, children absorb new languages quickly.
7. Overwhelmed. Feeling too much pressure or stress. Example, don't feel overwhelmed by too many new words.
8. Patience. Staying calm while waiting for results. Example, learning English needs patience and practice.
9. Shy. Feeling nervous or embarrassed to talk to others. Example, many learners feel shy to speak English at first.
10. Progress. Small steps of improvement over time. Example, every day of practice is real progress.
What an amazing episode this was. Let's quickly remember some key words: freeze, fluency, consistent, exposure, and patience.
Don't forget, small, consistent steps truly build strong English skills over time.
And friends, we would love to hear from you.
Comment below, what is the one thing you will start doing today to improve your English?
We will be reading your comments, so don't be shy.
Thank you so much for watching, dear friends.
Keep practicing, keep smiling, and we'll see you in the next episode.
Goodbye, friends. Take care.
Bye, everyone.